hipster. Today we are here at Universal Studios Orlando. We're gonna go over the perfect itinerary that you can do to conquer Universal Studios in just one day. So join me.
Here you can ride the movies and be the star. You can still see remaining relics of the past, but things have shifted into dominant franchises of today. Universal Studios is open every day of the year, and it's usually open from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. during the regular season, but during peak hours, the time may go up to about 9 p.m. and sometimes 10 p.m. The key to accomplishing this one-day adventure is to arrive at Universal Studios early. Second tip is to purchase tickets online and to download the park map. You can download the park map by getting the actual Universal Studios Orlando app, or you can just go to Universal's website and get a park map and just kind of map out your day and figure out where you want to start and where you want to end up. The next tip I have for you, or the next path, is to ride Despicable Me. You want to begin in Production Center and head towards Despicable Me. This is a 3D simulator ride, and it's based off the hilarious animated movies. It's one of Universal's most popular rides, so you'll want to do this one right away. But here's a tip. If the line is extremely long when you first get there, maybe come back towards the end of the day when the park is about to close. The next thing you want to do is to grab a ticket for Race Through New York with Jimmy Fallon. You can go there, grab your ticket later, or you can book your reservation slot on your Universal Orlando app. Once you have your ticket for later, you're going to want to do Diagon Alley before the afternoon rush. Head over to Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit roller coaster. On this high-speed steel roller coaster, you choose the musical soundtrack to take you through all of these drops and twists and turns, and they do have the single rider option for solo travelers. On here, I love bumping my Kanye West, but it is fun to have that blasting music to get you pumped as you go through the ride, and all the music choices that they have seems to flow perfectly with the ride itself. Once you are done with Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit, go over and join the cause and ride Transformers. Transformers The Ride 3D is another 3D motion simulator just like Spider-Man over at Islands of Adventure. And on this journey, you head into the headquarters of Nest. This is the non-biological extraterrestrial species treaty, and this is where you will learn how to battle Decepticons. This ride also does have a single rider option and is perfect to ride if the wait times are less than 30 minutes. After you are done with Transformers The Ride, you should go ahead and knock out Fast and the Furious. I know everyone has their mixed opinions about it, but while you're there, why not experience? The line shouldn't be too long, but if it is, go ahead and grab your reservation ticket and come back to it later. Once you are done with the Fast and Furious ride, go over and ride my favorite ride, which is Revenge of the Mummy. This is an indoor dark ride roller coaster, and it's highly themed with props prompting you to believe that you are actually on the set of the Mummy movie. The wait time for my favorite ride is usually no more than like 20 minutes, unless it's a super busy day. Then the wait time can go up to 45 minutes. After the Mummy ride is to head over to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Now, if you didn't do this right at the beginning of your day, this is now the perfect time to head over there before it gets crazy. Prepare to spend quite some time exploring this magical section of Universal Studios. Diagon Alley is the second installment of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The other portion, which is called Hogsmeade, is located in Islands of Adventure. While you're over here inside Diagon Alley, be sure to chat with Stan in front of the night bus, ride Escape from Gringotts, browse the shops of Diagon Alley, discover the nooks and crannies of Nocturne Alley, have a butter beer and some ice cream while you're there, check out Celestina Warbeck and all her magical entertainment. Then you're going to want to watch Tales of Beetle the Bard. You're going to want to get that wand from Ollivander's wand shop and hopefully be chosen. Then you're going to want to find some little secrets hidden in Diagon Alley, such as Sirius Black's little house elf peeking out the window. Once you are done discovering Diagon Alley and getting lost in all the magic, it is time for you to have lunch at the Leaky Cauldron. Take your break and pretend like you are there as Harry would be. Here you can grab a traditional British dish as you recap all the fun that you've had so far in your Universal Studios day. Once you leave Diagon Alley, head over and ride Men in Black Alien Attack. This is an interactive point-and-shoot laser ride, similar to Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin over at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Honestly, I suck at this ride, but you can definitely do much better than me. I mean, I really suck at this ride. If you have some tips out there, let me know. And if you're going to be there, tell me. I want to come with you so you can teach me how to really conquer this ride. After you are done with the Men in Black, go over to Springfield and explore. This Simpson-inspired section of the park is very lively and so much fun. While you're there, you're going to want to definitely ride the Simpsons ride, which is where Back to the Future used to be. And after you're done, head over to Kang and Kodos, Twirl, and Hurl. If you are up to it and you have a little room in your stomach, then grab a snack at Cleta's Chicken Shack. Yeah, try saying that 3 times. Here is where I get my favorite snack of all time at Universal, and that is the chicken and waffle sandwich. So in between 2 Eggo waffles, you have a nice crispy piece of chicken breast. And on that chicken breast is this honey glazed mayonnaise-based sauce. And I know those things don't sound like they go together, but oh my God, they work perfectly. And on top of it, it's like this crisp iceberg lettuce. I could eat that all day. But if you have room, definitely go there and try it. Once you are done exploring Springfield, it is now time to ride the classic E.T. Adventure, the only original ride left at Universal Studios Florida. This gondola dark ride is based on the blockbuster movie E.T., and it still has that classic theme park feel, which I absolutely love, and I recommend you doing it just so you can see what Universal was all about when it first opened. When you are done with the E.T. adventure, go ahead and experience Universal's horror makeup show. This show is hilarious, kind of scary, but lots of fun. It is a bit gory due to the subject matter because it's going through horror film and the history and how the magic is brought to horror films. But if you can do this, it is a must and one of those Universal classics that's left over. The next thing you want to do is just enjoy the shopping and roadside entertainment throughout Universal. Some of my favorite shopping spots are Quickie Market, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, Park Plaza Holiday Shop. It is time to watch the Shrek 4D show. This is a 45-minute 3D theater show located in Production Central area of the park, which is right when you come into Universal Studios. Here you'll enjoy a nice break from the Florida heat by jumping into an adventure with Shrek and Donkey. And once you're done with that, it's time for you to redeem those Jimmy Fallon Race Through New York passes and go ahead and race through New York. Best way to end a wonderful day at Universal Studios is with a smooth adult beverage and an entertaining show that is complete with spectacular views. And as you see, Universal Studios Florida has something to offer everyone with any type of vacation goal, Whether you go there solo, with a group of friends, or as a romantic vacation, you can find everything that you need all at Universal Studios. And until next time, happy park hopping hipsters.
Instead of butterbeer, you know what you could do?
What?
Go to Florian Portuguese ice cream
Some
parlor.
ice cream.
Yeah, that's a good idea, right? Yeah, what's your favorite flavor? Vanilla.
Vanilla, what an exciting
Wow.
flavor.
Yeah.